What's good, you guys? It's your girl Mish Marie back again with another mukbang. I feel like I do mukbangs like every day, but I literally eat every day, so it's like, what else am I gonna film? Anyways, so we're gonna eat Panera, but like, let's get our drink ready. So I honestly had this cup inside of my car from another mukbang that I did, so I just put ice. And yeah, I just have a little straw. So I have these in my trunk, and now I'm gonna put it in here because why not? So these are so good. This is the strawberry mango sparkling water. It's unsweetened and it has 0 calories with natural flavors. Target. Okay. So I'm honestly not knowing where I'm gonna put this, but I'm gonna put it right here. I hope I see it, because usually I don't see stuff right there and it falls. Anyways, let's get into what I got. He said he put utensils, so I'm hoping there's utensils. Yes, there is utensils. I got mac and cheese, a piece of bread, and I got the all-time best salad in the world. This is the Greek chicken salad. So it has grilled chicken on it. I'm so excited to eat this because I've been needing something fresh. Like, that's the best way I can describe it. I've been eating a bunch of junk, so how about we eat something fresh? Let me show you guys. I'm not even showing you guys me put on the dressing. But yeah. And 10. You struggle to put the top back on. I love that watch your face lady. If you guys know who I'm talking about, she'd be like, watch your face. This salad is so good. Some people don't like it, but I love this salad. I like grew up eating Panera, so that's kind of like why I like this. My dad got me turned on to this. I like somehow like bit or like cut my tongue and it hurts so bad, but this is so bomb. I'm over here thinking about controversial topics to talk to you guys about. How do you guys feel about like people going to school? Like public school, private school now. And I mean like children and adults. Like, how do you guys feel? Do you guys agree with it, disagree with it? Because like I don't want to send my children to public school. Just all the craziness is too much. And I just feel like a lot of the public school teachers do not care. Like, yeah, there's some that do, but there's also a lot that don't care. Why is this so good? That is so good. I'm like, what else should we talk about? I feel like I don't talk to you guys enough on these, and it's just me eating, and I don't know if it makes it boring or if I should talk more. I just really be enjoying my food. Like, I've been a foodie my whole life. And my mom watches my videos and like she'll literally like basically complain about how I'm eating or how I'm doing my video. Like, it's mad annoying. So I'm like, do I not smack? Do I smack? But then it's like I have people that like love when I smack. Right now, I don't know if you guys heard of Dior bags. Crazy. Legit everywhere. Like, I'm like, how do I get a Dior bag? If you know, you know. I can't say it on here, but Dior bags are awesome. Right now, though, I feel like it's scary because we don't really know what the Dior bags are about. And excuse me. I really like, because the sparkling like makes me burp so bad. I really like want to know where these Dior bags are coming from, what they're coming from, like why are the other Dior bags like going towards those bags more. Like, it's weird. It's not making the noise. I love this Mac. I'm like such a creamy Mac girl, like my whole life, but people be so intrigued by me recording. You guys, I think I've been eating too much. I literally like have a whole ass fupa right now. Fupa. I'm not supposed to cuss this year either. I literally have a whole fupa, whatever it's called. Something I really realized last year is to like stop sharing with people everything you're doing, like anything, to be honest. Like if you like somebody, don't share it with people. Don't share them with people, even your family. Don't do it. It's not worth it. If you're looking for a specific job, don't tell people. Just keep everything super private. Like everything. Literally. If somebody asks something, talk about like super surface level stuff. Let them talk, you listen. Just, seem super interested in their stuff. And then keep talking about their stuff. So then you're not talking about your stuff. Because when I tell you, people are weird. People are really weird. And I feel like I prayed all last year, like, for literally discernment and for the scales to be removed from my eyes And I feel like they're so removed. But, now I'm like, damn, they're removed a little too much. I'm like, how do we put them back? How do we put them back? Because I could just see so clearly. And, I just like literally spilled on my crotch and like on me. But yeah, I can literally see things that I could never see before. I just didn't believe it. It's just wild. So I've really come to the conclusion like it's just like really crazy. It's like, damn, I couldn't see this whole time. I never put 5 and 6 and 8 and 7 together until last year. Last year taught me so much. Like so much. I think only the people that I really like am closer with and like close with know that I like got out of a relationship and all of that. And yeah, that was fun. I'm so grateful though for that relationship. I think I learned, seen a lot, grew a lot, realized a whole lot, and I'm so glad that that worked how it worked. Because, oh honey, if I would not have been in that relationship, I honestly don't know what would have happened. Like, I don't know where I would be at today. I don't know how I would react. I just like, I don't know about a lot of stuff, and like I'm just so grateful. So there's a cute little old man right there. He's cute. Yeah, we're just like super grateful because I just like, I don't know what else to say. Like, I am so grateful. So much love for that individual. He was great, but it just didn't work. Yeah, like it was just really good. Like, it was such a good time. Like, I'm so extremely like ecstatic. Like, yes. Lately I've been a little bit down just because, like, I don't know, I think my period's coming, and just like really like I've been fasting and praying. Like this or last month in December I did it twice. The first one was basically just fasting from sun up to sundown, and then at night I would eat. And I did that for 3 days. I didn't tell anybody but my dad. And that was like probably like on day 2 or 3, one of the two. And then afterwards I talked about it. But the next day, or the next fast, only did it for like, basically I was on day 2, but it was like a full day, and then I ate at night. And yeah, sad about that. And that was like recently because I was trying to go into the new year like breaking a fast, but it didn't work out like that. is fine. But I think like so much like realization came from it, and like you could just hear the voice of God so much clearer, so much better, and like the discernment is just like skyrocketed to another level, and it's honestly just super amazing. I'm honestly not gonna cry right now. I do feel like crying right now because like, oh my gosh, every time I talk about how grateful I am and like just the relationship that I have with God and how he's just always 10 toes down, it's just so amazing. It's so nice. I love it. So yeah, anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this mukbang because I enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the play. Deuces.